Every Gadget app comes with a serverless node backend. And like the rest of your app's infrastructure, Gadget is going to host and scale this backend, so you don't need to worry about managing your backend infrastructure layer. In Gadget, this serverless node backend is exposed through actions. And we're going to auto-generate CRUD actions when you create a new data model, but you can also go ahead and add custom actions either to a data model or globally. If I click on the create action for my to-do model, you see this is my serverless function. It's already hooked up to my database. I can go ahead and in this run function, save a record to a database. That functionality is built in by default. And because these are just code files, these are extensible. There is a package.json file for my project, so I can add whatever existing NPM packages I like to use in order to build out these serverless functions. And these functions are high context. You see, in this parameter here, I have everything I need to communicate with the rest of my application. So I have my current record, for example, is my to-do. There's a logger, so I can actually write to the built-in logging tool, an API client that is set up, and more. Right now, I'm looking at my action in the Gadget editor, but I can also use our command line tool, GGT, pull my Gadget project down to my local machine, and use my local editor to develop. And this also enables Git-based source control for my backends. It's easy to add new actions to your project. If I just go to my actions file and create a global action, call this custom.js, it's going to instantly create this serverless function. This is now a global action. My API client has been updated and I am ready to go. It's connected to the rest of my app. I just need to write my actual business logic. A couple other neat things I can do with my backends in Gadget. If I want to run this action, this serverless function on a schedule, I can go ahead, add a scheduler trigger, and either pick out every day, hour, minute, whatever, or just enter a cron script to run this action at a regular cadence. Gadget also has a built-in background job system called background actions. And these are great because they have built-in concurrency control and retry handling that help handle third-party rate limits and give you that reliability you need when you're handling important tasks. Finally, we're also helping you upgrade your node version. If I go to settings and check out my Gadget framework version, to upgrade to the latest supported node version, I can just edit, select my framework version, press upgrade and run yarn, and my app is upgraded. I no longer need to worry about manually updating my node version. It's just taken care of for me. That was a very quick intro to Gadget backends. For more information, check out our documentation or ask us in our developer Discord. I hope you keep building more and coding less with Gadget.